We all know that brandy is one of Serbia's favorite drinks. It's part of life and part of history, deeply ingrained in tradition and related to many customs. Des Doo is faithful to tradition. We produce stills for the distillation and production of brandy and other strong alcoholic drinks. We produce 3 types of stills: a mini still for brandy, a tumbler still for brandy with or without mixer, and a static still for brandy. On request, we produce stills in other dimensions as well. The burner is made of 1.5 mm thick cold-rolled steel. The kettle is made of 0.8 and 1 mm thick copper. The cooler is made of 0.5 mm thick galvanized iron. The coil is made of copper tubing. The product life is very long, from 20 to 25 years. The main features are: the mixer prevents scorching and mixing with it is very easy and simple. It's heated by a gas burner. Only one person is needed for the process of distilling brandy. Easily transportable. Des Doo also produces spare parts for stills. You can find more detailed information about our products, prices and features on our website www.des-kazani.rs. You can also tell a story with the brandy stills from our range. Des Stills Subotice, the symbol of quality and durability.